Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. We upload a document to Gemini, expecting it to analyze the content, and it just gives you a generic response. Or even worse, it says, I can't read this file. So this is a common frustration, but it's usually because of a simple limitation. Gemini can read many file types, but it has limits. Files that are too large, unsupported formats, or protected by security settings will be ignored. So let me show you how to get Gemini reading your files fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, you want to go and check the file size image. Gemini has a size limit for uploaded files, typically around 100 megabytes for most file types. If your file is larger than this, try compressing it or splitting it into smaller chunks. For example, you can use a zip tool or reduce the resolution of image before uploading. Then check the file format. Gemini supports most standard formats, including PDF, Word, Excel, PPTX for PowerPoint, and common image formats like PNG and all of this. If you are using a non-standard format, try converting it to one of these. Then use a free online converter if needed, or your desktop software to export it in a compatible format. Then upload to the correct channel. Basically, that's pretty easy. Just basically for the free web version and the premium app have slightly different upload behaviors. The file upload for us is here. You tap on this button here, plus. Then we have upload files, add from drive, create images, more uploads. You can tap on this. We'll be able to see photos and notebooks. And basically, you can do whatever you like. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.